Don't you hate when you're on the job site and your pockets are overflowing with rags, keys, and PPE? Or maybe you're fed up with rummaging around your bag to find those pesky gloves. Well, Ergodyne has heard your frustrated sighs and saved the day with this week's feature product, the Squid's glove clips. These handy little clips make it easy to keep things super accessible and always in the same place. Just clip one side onto your clothes, belt loops, or safety harness, and use the second clip to hold anything you need quick and easy access to. No convenient spot to clip onto? There's also a version specifically designed to slide right onto your belt. These are perfect for preventing your gloves from falling down when working at heights. Ergodyne also kept safety top of mind when designing these handy little guys, incorporating their patented breakaway mechanism, which pops off the clip if they snag on something, preventing injuries or damaged clothing. And with a breakaway strength of 11.8 kilograms, it'll be noticeable if your keys or gloves decide to jump ship. How will I find my gloves if they're yanked off? Well, there's two color options available for you. Black, which easily stands out in the snow, and lime green, giving you a high-vis option for locating your clips in a flash. To top it all off, the clips are made with ultra-resilient copolymers and thermoplastics, meaning they are non-conductive and temperature resistant. Therefore, it doesn't matter if you're an electrician, wiring a building, or a welder working around hot metals, because no matter the job, you don't need to worry about the Squids clipping your day short. So, if you're in search of a little more convenience on the worksite, taking a ski trip in the Rocky Mountains, or don't want to spend another dime on missing gloves, make sure you grab this week's feature product, the Squid's glove clips from Ergodyne. Have you ever lost any items that these little clips could have saved? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest feature products. Thanks for watching, and thanks for keeping it Canadian.